Hi, let's check out my latest script here. I found cefpython3 that is very good to insert to surf the internet using Python, and for now it's just a limited script. You just can put a script and surf. Let's see how it works. If I run the script, I will see here this window with an address. You can change it, but I have by default used this. Now just I have to press return, and you see that will open this page with the title, with the address in the title, and there is this page. There is internet. You can do whatever you want and go in some other site from here. Mm, and so on, and you don't have the address bar here, but because it's very simple now how I did it, but I just can close this and it will appear again this one, and so I can draw here what I need. Let me go in my site here, and there it is in this very simple page with nothing, with the full open page with my site that is very clean and nice. And so that is how you can use Google Chrome into your Python script without any other stuff than the page that you are browsing. If I close this, will appear again my address bar, if you can say so, and if you close this, it will shut down completely. Thank you.